If you own a trademark and are aware of its exceptional benefits, you would want to protect it from being plagiarized. The only way to do so is by registering it under the Trademark Act. So let's explore the various steps you need to follow for trademark registration in India. Hi, I am Manisha Singh Chauhan, a startup advisor at Set India Biz, where we provide tax and compliance and IPR services to businesses across India. In this video, I will explain the step-wise process of trademark registration in India along with its prerequisites and aftermath. So let's begin without any delay. Overview of trademark application process. Before we proceed further with the process of trademark application, let's quickly go through its main steps. First, trademark search. Second, filing the trademark application. Third step is examination of trademark application. Fourth step is publication of trademark in the journal, and fifth step is trademark registration. Now, let's look at each step in details. First, trademark search. Before filing your trademark application, you must always make sure that your mark is not already registered or pending for registration in someone else's name, specifically in the same class or goods or services you are dealing in. For this, you can conduct an online trademark search on the databases of Indian Trademark Registry. We have given the link to the website in the description. You can also hire us as your trademark attorney and we will conduct the search for you. Our search is not only detailed but also suggestive for your trademarks. Probability of getting registered. Once you are sure that your mark is absolutely unique or not similar to any existing trademark, you can move ahead to the next step. Next step is filing the trademark application. Now it's time to file your trademark application. You can do so in the prescribed form TMA. The mode of your application can either be online through the IP India website or offline by submitting the physical application to the local trademark registry office. Make sure to fill the complete application accurately and attach all the supporting documents in their correct format. This will reduce your chances of getting objection at further stages. Third step is examination of the application. Once you have filed the trademark application, the maximum part of your job is done. Next stage is the examination of your proposed trademark by the trademark examiner. The examiner will prepare a detailed examination report on the basis of which he will either accept or oppose the application. If opposed, you will have to reply appropriately within a month or your trademark will be considered abandoned. And if you reply on time but it is unsatisfactory, then the examiner could call a show cause hearing to resolve the issue. Moving on to the next step. Publication in Trademark Journal. After crossing the examination stage, your trademark will be published in the Trademark Journal, which is a public document. The publication stays on it for 4 months, and during this time, if any person who has conflicts with your trademark can oppose your application. If no opposition is filed, then your application will proceed to the next stage. But if you receive any objection, then the show cause hearing will be called to resolve the issue. Trademark registration. Finally, after resolving all the public objections, the department will register your trademark and issue an registration certificate. The validity of certificate will be 10 years, and after which it can be renewed for further period. Now that we have covered all the process of filing trademark application, let's answer some frequently asked questions related to it. Frequently asked questions. Who can apply for a trademark? Well, any individual, company or legal entity can apply for a trademark in India either directly or through a trademark agent. How long a trademark valid for? So a registered trademark is valid for 10 years from the date of application and can be renewed indefinitely for further period of 10 years by paying the application renewal fees. Can a foreigner apply for a trademark in India? Absolutely, foreign applicants can apply for the trademark in India provided that they have a principal place of business here. What is the cost of trademark registration? So the government fee for filing a trademark application in India is rupees 4500 for individual. DPIIT registered startups and registered MSMEs. For all the other entities, the fees is rupees 9000 per application. And that wraps up for our video on trademark application process. I hope I have managed to resolve all your doubts. If you have any further questions, you can ask us in the comment below. If you need any assistance, you can directly contact us. The link and contact details are given in the description. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative content ahead. Hit the notification bell so anytime we publish a new video, you are the first one to get notified. Thank you so much for watching. Watch other videos as well.